How to show or don't show notifications that appear in the status bar area of your Galaxy A16 or the A17 phone with One UI 8.0. To find these settings, use the quick access like this here. Tap on the settings toggle right here, then go down the list until you see notifications. As you're in the notifications section, you're going to look for the status bar. Tapping on it one time will now take you here. Now, once you're in this section here, you have three options. The first one on the left is just the icons, which will show you icons at the top left area here and as to which apps are giving notifications. You also have the battery percentage option, which will appear here on the right top section. If you switch to the dot, it is going to just simply give you a dot on the left top. Despite how much notifications you have, it'll just be one little dot there for that app itself. And same thing again, you will see show battery percentage as well, okay? Now for the one with none, and that's if you don't want any notifications showing up here on the left side top area, switch to none. And you'll also have the battery percentage option. And of course you can disable it if you don't want it. You can see that the number is gone or show it again. So none basically is going to not show any notifications up here. And this is just for the status bar area. And of course you can come back and change it to another one, like and sub.